Hey, welcome back to Turntable Guy. This is going to be a quick part 3 on the Sony CDP-570. When I left you last, I mentioned that I was not completely pleased with how the disc operation was working, the loading and unloading and clamping. So I have gone to the service manual for the CDP-670, and if you look right there at part number 24, you can see the orientation of that little roller that lifts the tray up and down for CD operation. I, in my stupidity, had mounted that backwards. Therefore, I was not getting enough lift when the tray went in and the disc loaded. Now, as you can see, no more scrapage. Everything is working fantastic. No more noise, no more issues. The disc platter height is perfect, and our Sony CDP-570 is now working 100%. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.